Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah everyone. We have offered Isha, Salatul Isha, and now we are in the compound of Haram to go home. So just now we have few rain showers and we took shelter under the huge canopies in the compound of Haram, and within few minutes rain is heavier. So let's see for how long we can stay here. There are many other people with us. We are tired and we want to have our dinner and then we want to sleep earlier so we can get up early in the morning for Fajr Salah. People are enjoying making videos, and rain is getting heavier and heavier and heavier with lightning and thunder. The weather was really hot this morning and whole day. We decide to move on. Rain is too heavy. I want to save my phone, and so that's why I covered my phone with prayer mat. You can see the reflection of that prayer mat at the top of screen. And the Prophet ﷺ taught us a beautiful prayer for rain, and that prayer is Allahumma sayyiban nafian. And the meaning of this dua is, Ya Allah, make this rain profitable and beneficial for us. So we have to recite this prayer again and again. Some other brave people are moving on. Lights are fogged by the effect of rain and I could not see. My eyes are actually, I'm almost blind. The rain drops are on my glasses and the rainwater is inside my eyes. Anyway, here we find another shelter under the roof. Lights are reflecting through the raindrops. It's amazing to observe rain in Medina Sharif. And our city Riyadh, rain in summer is quite rare. We are about to reach our destination. Here we are again inside the roof, under the roof. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.